guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a 0 to 60 video to see how long it takes to get to 60 miles an hour. So yeah, we've had the turbo replaced, and so it's not as powerful as it should be. This is like a generic one. We went from having a Bosch one to a generic one, so it's not as powerful as it can be. So yeah, I'm in sports mode on everything. I'm going to go for it, guys.
Just to measure the timing, I've also got my stopwatch here, timer, so that we can measure it effectively. Okay.
Behind me?
Nope. Right.
Oh, wait.
There you go.
It's not the worst place to stop. Okay. Ready?
Right. I'm gonna start the time in 3. Wait. Let's let these cars go past.
Alright.
Right. So you're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Eight point 8.9 seconds, let's say.
What is it?
Pretty clean.
What do you say?
So we managed to hit 8.89 seconds.
Yeah.
That's from a complete standstill straight to 60.
You hear the DSG4 stuff? 4K.
Yeah, you could hear that. You could hear the whole car going mental.
These are probably thinking why they get stopped.
Yeah, you all thought we stopped. You thought we broke down. Nah, mate.
And now we fixed it now. We fixed now,
and
guys.
now we're overtaking you all.
Okay, so yeah. What was it? 8.9?
Yeah, 8.9. 8.89.
Yeah, but I did delay a bit.
Yeah.
By about, what would you say, a second?
Yeah. So give or take 8 seconds basically. Give or take. Yeah, guys, that was our 0 to 60.
That's a 0 to 60. We'll call it 8 seconds. What was it? 8.9.
Yeah.
We'll call it about 8 seconds because I was quite delayed from when he pressed the hand when I actually did it. Just because I was looking about, making sure no one was behind me before I set off and everything. So yeah.
Just so you guys know as well, that was on a private road.
Yeah, private road.
Yeah, private road.
Yeah, that's the speed limit.
Yeah,
below the speed limit.
Shit.
Safe. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Good night.
Like and subscribe and leave a comment.